Hello and welcome to another HTML5 and CSS3 tutorial. And in this video I'm going to talk and we will start working with JavaScript in HTML5. So we will get rid of the CSS file. We will not use that anymore. As you can see here, I only have my test.html file ready. And the first thing I want you guys to do is to clean the body section, and also we'll not need this line here as well. You can take the title out as well, or let's leave the title. You can click on the Control Z to return back, and here let's type JavaScript with HTML5. Okay, let's save this. Perfect. Now the first thing you should do is create a new file, which is going to be the external JS file. And obviously in this from this point on in the video tutorials I'll be talking about JavaScript, so you should get you should have a background on JavaScript. So if you don't know JavaScript, you should go to the JavaScript chapter that I have on the course and walk through those tutorials and then return back here. Okay, otherwise you will not understand what I'm talking about. Now let's save this file as let me type here, let's type javascript.js. Okay, JS, as you probably know, stands for JavaScript file. Save that. Okay, we have our JavaScript.js ready. Now we have to make a link related to that file, JavaScript.js. To do that, we type script, and remember the old way was script type and then JavaScript text, something like that. And now we don't need that anymore on HTML5. We only need the source to grab the file, and the file is in the same directory that my HTML file, so I only need to put the name of the file, .js. Okay, another cool feature of HTML5. Less code is always better code. Awesome. So save this. Okay. And now inside the body, I want you guys to create a div ID. Let's call this wrapper. Close this. And inside the div wrapper, let's create p close paragraph, my first JavaScript. Copy that. Second. You can type my second and my third. Perfect. Save that. And now we are ready to start doing some JavaScript code in the JS file. Alright, before that I forgot, we have to let's give some IDs to, let's type here first, second, and the third one, it's called third. Now we are ready. Don't forget to save it. Now I'm going to show you how to use the query selector, which is basically a new function available in to use in JavaScript with HTML5. Now to see that in action, to see the query selector in action, I'm going to create two functions. So let's type function. Let's type let's type bring it. Now in here we type document dot, and now we type the query selector. And for all of you guys that already did jQuery and JavaScript, this is very basic. So jQuery selector is a function that will return the whatever we type in, whatever ID or class we type inside the parentheses. So I want to return or to grab the first. So we type in here, we type div first. Okay. And now the action I want to give it is on click return, on click equals to a function that I'm going to create now. Basically, let's type alert. Okay, and now I'm going to create the alert function. Let's type alert. Instead of alert, it may cause some confusion with the alert predefined function. Let's type save. Parentheses here, it's a function. And now here we can type alert, and here let's type you clicked something. Okay, let's save that. Now after the functions, to have this all working, we need to type the window on load and the bring it function. Bring it, there it is. Let's save this. Now let's see if it works. When the page loads, it will call automatically the bring it function, and that will query. What this document query selector will do is query one by one the lines that I have in here in the page. It will search for the first ID, which is this one, first, and will call the say and will pop up alert, the alert you clicked something when I click it. Okay, so I have to click the first ID for that to happen. So I'm going to show you right away how this works. Let me just click here, Chrome, sorry, run here, Chrome. Okay, there it is. So we have these three different my first JavaScript, second and third. If I click here, nothing happens. If I click here, nothing happens. And if I click here, there it is. Boom. You clicked something. Okay? So pretty simple. For all of you gurus in JavaScript, this is pretty simple. Okay, but this is just to show you how we can embed now JavaScript with HTML5. And this is also a new function that I want to show you, which basically queries a selector in all the page. And remember that it will turn only the first one. So if we had here first as well, let me just check here, and I refresh. If I click here, nothing happens. Okay, this is it also has the ID first. The problem is that I'm saying here query selector, what it does is searches one by one, top to bottom, and when it reaches the first one that has the name first, it's always and only that will work. Okay, when I click, not this third one. So if I go here, refresh, nothing happens. But if I click the first one, is still working. Okay? Now this is all for this video. If you have any questions, just send me a message or post your questions in the comment section below. See you guys later. Bye.